For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a gym business can be a rewarding venture, combining your passion for fitness with entrepreneurship. Leveraging free AI tools can help you streamline the process, make smarter decisions, and save costs, especially if you're just getting started. This step-by-step guide will take you through how to use free AI resources at each stage of launching a gym business, from ideation to marketing and operations. Step 1. Define your gym concept and target market. Before diving into logistics, clarify what type of gym you want to open. Will it be a traditional weightlifting gym, a boutique fitness studio, a yoga center, or a hybrid? Knowing your niche helps tailor your business plan and marketing. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm your gym concept and target market by prompting. Help me define a unique gym concept based on current fitness trends. Identify potential target customer groups and their preferences. This will generate ideas and help you understand the demand and competition. Tools like ChatGPT offer conversational AI that can analyze trends and suggest ideas customized for your location and interests. Step 2. Conduct market research. Understanding your local market is essential. Use AI-powered tools like Google Trends and Answer the Public, both free, to analyze what fitness topics, workout types, and gym-related services people in your area are searching for. Google Trends shows search interest over time and by region, while Answer the Public generates common questions and phrases related to your keywords. Prompt example for ChatGPT to assist market research. Summarize the fitness industry trends and customer preferences in your city/state. What are the most popular gym services and memberships currently? This will help you gather relevant data to support your business strategy. Step 3. Create a business plan. A solid business plan outlines your vision, goals, financial projections, and marketing strategy. Use ChatGPT to draft a business plan quickly. Prompt. Create a detailed business plan for a small to medium-sized gym located in your city. Include sections on executive summary, services offered, market analysis, marketing plan, operational plan, and financial projections. ChatGPT can generate a structured document you can edit and customize. For financial projections, use free spreadsheet software like Google Sheets to create budget estimates, revenue forecasts, and expense tracking. Step 4. Choose a location and design your gym layout. Selecting the right location impacts foot traffic and accessibility. Use Google Maps and Google Earth for free to scout potential spots and analyze proximity to your target demographic. You can also use AI design tools like Planner 5D, free version available, or Rooms Tiler to create virtual layouts of your gym space, helping optimize equipment placement and flow. Prompt for ChatGPT to assist with layout and design ideas. Suggest an efficient and customer-friendly gym layout for a space of X square feet that includes weight training, cardio, and group class areas. Step 5. Define your equipment and staffing needs. Make a list of the essential gym equipment based on your concept and available space. Use ChatGPT to generate a comprehensive list. Prompt. List the necessary gym equipment for any type of gym, e.g., weightlifting and cardio gym, including quantities and budget-friendly options. Also, consider staffing needs such as trainers, receptionists, and cleaning staff. You can ask ChatGPT to draft job descriptions and interview questions. Prompt. Create job descriptions and interview questions for a gym personal trainer and front desk receptionist. Step 6. Develop your brand and marketing strategy. Branding differentiates your gym from competitors and attracts customers. Use free AI tools like Canva for logo and social media design, and ChatGPT for marketing copy. Prompt for branding ideas. Generate 5 creative and memorable gym business names with taglines. For marketing strategy, use ChatGPT to draft a marketing plan. Prompt. Create a marketing plan for a new gym targeting young professionals, including online and offline strategies. Use free social media scheduling tools like Buffer or Later to plan your content. AI tools like Lumen 5 or InVideo can help create promotional videos easily. Step 7. Set up your online presence. In today's market, a professional online presence is crucial. Use free website builders like Wix, WordPress.com, or Google Sites to create a gym website. ChatGPT can help draft website copy, class descriptions, and FAQs. Prompt. Write engaging and clear website content for a gym homepage, including a welcome message, list of services, membership plans, and contact information. Set up social media profiles on platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to engage your community. AI chatbots like ManyChat, free tier available, can assist with customer inquiries via Facebook Messenger. Step 8. Plan membership pricing and packages. Competitive and clear pricing is key. Use ChatGPT to analyze your market and suggest pricing strategies. Prompt. Recommend membership pricing tiers and packages for a gym in your location, considering local competitors and target customers. You can create pricing sheets and membership contracts using free Google Docs templates. Step 9. Organize your operational workflow. Establish day-to-day procedures such as member check-in, class scheduling, cleaning, and equipment maintenance. Use free AI task management tools like Trello or Notion to organize tasks and schedules. Prompt for ChatGPT. Provide an operational workflow for managing a small gym, including daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. Step 10. Promote your grand opening. Build buzz before your launch by using AI-powered email marketing platforms like MailChimp, free tier. ChatGPT can help draft email campaigns and social media posts. Prompt. Write a series of 3 promotional emails to announce a gym grand opening, including special offers and membership deals. Additionally, design flyers and posters with Canva and distribute them locally or digitally. Step 11. Track performance and gather feedback. After opening, continuously monitor your business performance. Use Google Analytics on your website and free survey tools like Google Forms to collect member feedback. ChatGPT can help interpret feedback and suggest improvements. Prompt. Analyze customer feedback data and suggest 3 ways to improve gym services and member satisfaction. Conclusion. Starting a gym business using free AI tools is a practical approach to reduce startup costs while gaining valuable insights and efficiency. From brainstorming your gym concept to marketing and operational planning, AI can assist in every step by generating ideas, drafting documents, and organizing tasks. Using tools like ChatGPT for writing and brainstorming, Canva for design, Google Tools for market research, and Trello or Notion for management can provide a strong foundation for your gym success. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.